James Cagley receives honorary membership for his several decades of exceptional service to the Institute, on the Building Code Committee as president of ACI, and in his international outreach to Latin America.
Don't worry, they only give us each 2 minutes, okay? Just to go back a little bit on my history, because I've been involved for almost 50 years with this organization. It all goes back to when I was in school and I took a course that was a 3-credit course that was called Ultimate Strength Design and Concrete Plastic Design and Steel. And that's all we knew was enough for 3 credits at that time. Probably we haven't learned a lot more, but we think we have. Anyway, so I actually never used bending stress. And I learned to use Ultimate Strength with a 56 cut. So anyway, I have started with my activities in the Houston chapter. I was president of the Houston chapter at one time. And then we moved to Washington over 40 years ago. And also at the same time that I opened my office, I got selected by George Lay to be on ACI 318. And as soon as he found out I was opening my office, he called me and said, "Do you really want to do this?" Because he said, "You know, you get no thanks and it costs you a lot of money." I said, "Well, I want to do it anyway." And I was very lucky that I was the chairman for the 99 and 2002 code. I'm also very fortunate that I have a daughter and a granddaughter who are structural engineers who are both here and both active in ACI. I feel very fortunate that I've been supported by our firm staff, by my wife, Sharon, thank you very much, and by Debbie's partners, who are both here in Reno as well. One of the things that I think is interesting, and then I'll be out of here, is that when I became a life member of ASCD, it was presented by one of Debbie's partners who worked for us, Frank Mellons. And what's really interesting to me today, and I'm so pleased about, is that one of our ex-employees, Ann Ellis, presented this to me. So, thank you very much.